Greetings. Today I'm going to show you how to install HappyBrackets onto an SD card using a script and a fresh install of Linux. We'll be using Raspbian Stretch LITE. However, you can choose a different operating system, such as NOOBS or Raspbian Stretch with desktop. To use this method, however, your Pi must be able to have internet access from the network you're connecting to. From the Raspberry Pi homepage, click Downloads. Click Raspbian, then download Raspbian Stretch LITE. Download the zip file. Insert your SD card into the computer. Run Etcher and load the Raspbian image you just downloaded. Make sure the SD card is the destination in Etcher. Click on the Flash button and allow Etcher to flash the SD card. When flashing is completed, remove the SD card and reinstall it to your computer so it will be mounted again. Download the HappyBrackets development kit. Unzip the kit. From the HappyBrackets development kit, navigate to Device, HappyBrackets Setup. Copy the files in the Setup folder to your SD card. If you'll be connecting your Pi to the internet via an Ethernet cable, you don't need to edit the WPA supplicant file. But if you are going to install using a wireless network, then you'll need to change the network configuration in this file. Go to the SD card and edit the WPA supplicant.conf file. Enter your wireless network details. Note that this has to be a network with internet access, so your home router details will probably be fine. Eject the SD card and install it into your Raspberry Pi. From the terminal, type SSH pi at raspberrypi.local. If you're using Windows, you will either need to install Bonjour or you'll need to examine your router configuration to determine the IP assigned to the Raspberry Pi and SSH to Pi at that address. Enter the default password, which is Raspberry, and then press Return. Change to the boot directory and then run the setup image. If you have a working internet connection, the script will download and install the required files. When this completes, reboot your device and switch to IntelliJ. The new device should now appear in the Devices menu. That's it, you've installed HappyBrackets onto your Raspberry Pi.